Hello, welcome back to About You Beauty. My name is Brenda, and we are going to be talking about this beautiful, beautiful wig on my head. So this is another review for IMSTYLE Wigs. They are based in China, and they ship worldwide, and their shipping is really fast, and I have never, ever had any issues with them to date. My apologies if you hear the cat in the background. That's my daughter's kitten. Wanting to be part of the story here. So let me tell you about this one. This is Millie. And so let's take a look at Millie from all sides. So here's the front, left, back, right, and front. She's 26 inches long. She is a beautiful chocolate brown with blonde highlights. She's got I'm going to say a medium rooting, brunette rooting. Gorgeous. Take a look at that hairline. Okay, and this one fits just over my ear, but again, I can put this just tuck the rest of it behind my ear, and it lays really nicely. Take a look at that hairline. She's beautiful, you guys, and the fibers are amazing. These are their high quality heat friendly Futura fiber, so you can curl this, you can straighten this, you can maintain the length and the ends with heat and water. You can use a hot tool up to 120 Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit. Okay, always do a test strand. And you guys probably getting tired of me saying this, but on every wig, do a test strand, find out, start from the low to high heat to see what is the best heat for you, okay? And that way you don't damage your wig. All right, so let's get into some of the details with Miss Millie. All right, she is a 13 by 4 lace front. She is 26 inches long, has that high quality heat friendly fiber. Her cap is average, which is usually about 22.75 when it comes to IMSTYLE wigs. I'm going to say this one will fit 21 to 23. 21 might be pushing it, but you can definitely pull those adjustable straps in the back in to adjust it tighter for you, okay? And what else can I tell you? I think that's pretty much all the details on it, but take a look at the dimension of colors, and this ever so relaxed curl just gives that little bit of body to it, and it's beautiful. And again, with that 13 by 3, you can change your part. Okay, you can have it to be a left to right. Okay, you can have a center. Let's go back all the way. There you go. Okay, and even that's, like, they're all beautiful. Depends on how you like to wear your hair. I'm a left to right kind of gal. Let's take a look at the cap construction. Like all of IMSTYLE wigs, this has 3 combs. So you have 2 combs, one at each ear. You have the 13-inch lace front, so from ear to ear. You have that 4-inch lace space at from their hairline back. Okay, you have the comb at the nape. Just a slightly extended nape on this one, and a hook adjuster straps, okay? And it is close wefted. So it is absolutely beautiful. Let's just take a little brush to her. Can you guys see the coloring? We're in my studio, so you're directly in front of studio lights. But let's go outside and see what she looks like outside. Okay, so this is Millie outside in the shade. Check out that coloring. The dimension in those colors. Let's go to sunshine. It's the hairline. Absolutely beautiful, you guys. She's gorgeous.